So now that you guys know how to find the GCF, we're gonna use this in a real world problem because they wanna know how does finding the greatest common factor help you to solve real world problems. So we have a word problem right here. So at this party, we have slices of cakes lined up in rows of equal amounts. That means that the cakes have to be lined up in rows and realize that the rows have to be equal amounts. So if there's 3 on this row, that means that every single row has to be 3. So that's just an idea of what we're doing. We're lining up the cakes in equal amounts. We have 3 different flavors of cake. We have marble, red velvet, and chocolate. There are 10 slices of marble, 15 slices of red velvet, and 20 slices of chocolate. Now realize we can't just have one row of each, because if we have one row of each, we have 10, 15, 20. Are those equal amounts? No. So since those are not equal amounts, we're gonna have to split the rows, the cakes, into equal amounts of rows. So this is when we use greatest common factor, because we want to split what we have into something that's equal. So that's going to help if we use greatest common factor. So what is the greatest number of that can equally be in each row? So basically we have 3 numbers. We have 10, we have 15, and we have 20. So we're going to find our factors that gives us 10, 15, and 20, starting with 1. So we have 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 doesn't work, 4 doesn't work, and 5 I already have, so you can stop because we're repeating. Now 15, we have 1 times 15, 2 does not work, 3 times 5, 4 doesn't work, and 5 I already have. Since I already have 5, you can stop. Once you repeat, you can stop. 20, we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 3 does not work, 4 times 5, 5, we have it, so we can stop. So we're looking for the greatest common factor. Remember I said we don't really use 1, so I could ignore that because we never really use 1. 2 is not here, so 2 is not common. 10 is not here, so 10 is not common, but 5 is common. 3 is not common, 15 is not common, 2 is not common, 4 is not common, 10 is not common, 20 is not common. So guess what? The only number left that is common on all of them is 5. So that means that you can line up these cakes into 5 slice rows. That means you're splitting the cakes into 5 slices per row. So right here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So realize that's how you split it. It's gonna be 2 rows of marble. For this one, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So realize, yes, there's 3 rows of red velvet, but you see it still has 5 rows. And with 20, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So even though there's 4 rows, you can see that each of these rows have 5 slices per row. So this works out right there.